Welcome back, viewers of the channel, to Mpuken TV promoting Manamola programs. And today I'm one with the sisters who were attending one of our programs, the Early Childhood Development Program. My sister Otlo lebotso re yana ke ena mang, and then le hore o ithutile eng from program e a atileng today, and le hore o duma hore ho etsaele eng after a attendile this program, le hore o duma hore bokamoso ba hae bo ka ba bjang after attendile this program. Okay, my sister, over to you. Kopela ba botse hore ko wena mang, o tswa kae, and then o fitlha bjang mo hae.
Okay, nna ke nna Makhudu Bogoshi. Ke one ya batho ba ileng hore ba busy ba attenda di-programs tsa Manamola. Most of the programs ke di attenda like e ya ka jeno, and then lona le e leng hore ke mo yona no ke attenda sekolo. Re sitse ke Manamola, and then ba re hafuletse le di-price. So e ya ka jeno yona ke attenda just because of I was supposed to attend this one go forward ka before the lockdown, so ke disable ke taba ya di-lockdown, so ke itse ba Manamola a advertiser ka tla le nna ke share because ke a e rata vele ke nyaka go bula creche e leng yaka ene ka rata go bereka ka bana, so ke dithutile dilo tse dintšhi ka this program ka bana gore tshwanetse ba tshware bjang ko crecheng if botse creche e leng ya hao o tshwanetse operate bjang and so on, dilo tsa tshwana le tseo. Yes, thank you. And then like ke batla gore like program e go ka kgonahala go be le di-fundings for batho ba e leng gore a ba kgone go tipulela di-creche, ba kgone go kry-a di-sponsors ba ba sponsor le di-other creches ba ba sponsor ba e leng gore a ba kgone ba kgone promota di-creche tsa bona di be sharp gore tshwane le tsa ko toropong. Yes, re nyaka go tlisa toropo mo Sothong mo hae. Yes, thanks.
Ra leboha ausi Makhudu ne. Yeah, re leboha thata for interview mnate re feeling yona today, and we wish you all the best as Manamola going forward into the future. Re tshepa gore government o utlwile gore re lla ka eng sello sa rena ke eng, re lla ka funding akere le re duma gore le ska attenda program fela, and then yano wa e felletse mo moyeng go be le tswelopele mo maphelong a rena akere. Re lebohile thata ausi Makhudu, o be letsatsi le le monate, modimo o bless akere. Ra leboha viewers of the channel for supporting the program ya Mpuken TV promoting Manamola programs, low support the programs tsa Manamola. There's more programs coming. This is not the end of the world from Manamola. You know Manamola always delivers. Yeah, and to all the skeptics, stop criticizing Manamola ka di unfounded claims. Ne? If maybe una le problem le Manamola, come to Manamola. You know, I've realized that there's this tendency or motanya go criticize Manamola o tla go criticize via WhatsApp. A re utlwele mokgwa wa o re tlwaele hore re criticizana ka di WhatsApp. Khale no sna WhatsApp no re honya go ya motho no emella o tsamaya o ye mo o fitlhe o le ka se o llang ka sona ba o thuse mo ba o thusang ke kopelo re ska tlwaela hore re shupana ka menwana ka di WhatsApp ne. God bless Manamola and the community. God bless Mpuken TV and the community. Thank you very much. Goodbye.